Hallie calculates 45% of 280 in the following way. Half of 280 is 140. I know 10% is 28, so 5% is half of that, which is 14. So I get 140 minus 14, which is 126. Write a string of equations that incorporate Hallie's ideas, and which properties of arithmetic did Hallie use and where? Okay, so let's see. The overall technique here seems like she's doing 140 minus 14, so 50% minus 5%. So instead of calculating 45% directly, we did 50% and then took away 5%. So 45% of 280, that's the same as 50% minus 5% of 280. So 50% of 280 plus 5% of 280. This is the overall technique. Now, 50% of 280, Hallie says, okay, that's the same as half of 280, which is 140. And then to do 5%, she did 10% and took half of that. So instead of 5%, we're going to look at that as half of 10% of 280. And then I can use the associative property to take 10% of 280. So this is going to be half of 10% of 280. So this is 140 plus half of 28, which is 140 plus 14, which is that was supposed to all be minuses, right? Minus, 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 minus. 140 minus 14, which is 126. Okay, so now I'm going to label what properties I used. So here I was rewriting 45 as 50 minus 5, so no properties of arithmetic yet. But then in my next step, I distributed the 280 to the 50% and the 5%. Okay, so from here to here, I used the distributive property. Okay. And then in the next step, I'm rewriting 5% as half of 10%. So no properties have been used here. But then in the next step, I moved these parentheses. This is multiplication, a half times 10% times 280. And instead of doing a half times 10% first, I'm going to do the 10% times the 280 first. That is the associative property. Then I just took 10% of 280, and yeah, no more properties. I used the distributive property up here, followed by the associative property.